Now it's time to celebrate some Monday birthdays, and we begin in Columbus with Clay Watkins, turning 5. Boy, this birthday list is a mile long. Happy birthday to you, Clay.
That's right. And let's see, Ariana Kraft celebrating birthday number 7. She's 7 strong this year in Pittsburgh with love from Nana and Papa.
We've got Ainsley Carr turning 8 in Moran, and this comes with love from Mom, Dad, and Big Sister.
In Jasper, Missouri, Sawyer Max Storm, what a cool name. Sawyer Max Storm is 8 years old.
Now that's a little crazy because that's actually the name of our weather system. It's called Max Storm. That's a very cool name, Sawyer, and perhaps one day you'll have a career in weather and they'll just continue to name the storm system after you. We've also got Hayden Bloom turning 9 in Frontenac, Kansas. Hayden, a very happy 9th birthday to you.
And we've got Lily Fagan celebrating birthday number 11 this year. Happy birthday, Lily.
We've got another Lily, this one Lily Shoulders over in Oswego. Now her birthday was yesterday, so she gets to celebrate twice as she turns 11 as well.
Well, she's in Oswego, and so is Dale Myers, and that would be her grandfather there in the picture. His birthday is actually tomorrow. So, hey, they could just celebrate 3 days in a row.
3-4 days,
Dale
that's all right.
is 60 this year. Happy birthday, Dale.
We've got Jace Blackburn turning 12 in Parsons. He's 6th grader at Meadowview Elementary. And this comes with love from Nana and Papa.
And let's see, Lauren Pack turning 12 this year in Galesburg, Kansas. A little bit belated birthday wish for you, Miss Lauren. Your birthday was actually on Friday, so you get to party all weekend long and today.
Yeah, that's a great birthday celebration. We've got Cooper Burchett turning 15 in Liberal. A very happy birthday to you, Cooper.
All right, and a special note that says Bob.
Not sure exactly what that means.
Not really either.
There's not a lot of detail. Okay, we're told that that's his nickname. It just said Bob on our sheet, so I wasn't exactly certain what that was referencing. Well, happy birthday, Cooper Bob Burchett.
There you go. All right, Aiden Wheat celebrating birthday number 18 in Parsons. Happy birthday from Mom, Dad, Ethan, Landon, and the grandparents.
We've got Faith Mustaine turning 19 in Altamont. Happy birthday, Faith.
And Josh Beasley celebrating birthday number 33 in Altoona.
And we've got Missy Cisney turning 43 in Girard. This comes with love from Mike, Evan, Aiden, Marley, and Quinn, as well as Mom and Dad, Gail, and Nancy. So talk about a big celebration for Missy. Happy birthday.
All right. And Darren Mingarelli celebrating birthday number 50 this year. And Darren actually celebrated his birthday on Saturday, but we're going to celebrate it with him today.
We've got Odin Davis turning 51 over in Pittsburgh. Odin, a very happy birthday to you.
And the next two are a couple of belated birthday wishes too. Donna Miller turning 58 this year in Chanute, and then Pat Hale is 59 this year in Parsons. Both of them had birthdays on Friday.
We've got Dina Rivera turning 85 in Erie. Dina, a very happy birthday to you today.
All right, and Lori Shue in Savinburg, Kansas. Happy birthday to you, Lori.
And we've got Janice Jones celebrating a birthday in Chanute. Janice, a very happy birthday.
And it's a day to celebrate our directors, our technical directors. We've got Dylan first. Used to be on the mornings with us, and then he left us for Nightside.
He was my weekend director when I was on weekends, and I called him Dylan. Like, that became so commonplace that everybody started calling him Dylan. So, Dylan, a very happy birthday to you today.
All right, and then when we lost Dylan, we got Tim, and we loved Tim.
Tim's the one that talks to me in my ear all the time. So when I give you random information, like clearing up who Bob was, it's coming from Tim. He's back. He's celebrating.
All right.
I think he just scored a touchdown. Happy birthday, Tim.
Yes, happy birthday. We love you, Tim. All right, our birthday list goes on. And we've got Mike Lehman turning 29, celebrating his golden birthday today. That's pretty cool. In Frontenac. And Brad Stover in Columbus. Happy birthday to you.
And as we hang out in Columbus, we've got Frank Finelle celebrating a birthday rather in Columbus as well. Frank, happy birthday. And then Dale and Melody Craner celebrating their first year of wedded bliss in Joplin. Happy anniversary, Dale and Melody, and here's to many more.
All right. If you have a birthday or an anniversary, you can send them to us through our email. Don't forget the S on this, though. birthdays@koamtv.com. Or you can send them to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
We also want you to do something special. We've got Amber Jenkins in our studio this morning. Good morning, Amber.
Good morning.
Amber's here to learn how to do all this fun stuff. Are you having a good morning?
I am having a great morning. You guys wake me up.
Well, you know what you need to do when you visit our website?
What?
You need to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You can do that at KOAMnewsnow.com. It is an excellent way to get great deals from local businesses. And you know, it's so simple. All you have to do is go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that KOAM Birthday